Hello friends, I am Trilochan. Welcome back. Let's continue with Python series. In the previous tutorial, we have discussed different arithmetic operations in Python. In this tutorial, we will discuss variables in Python. So let's start with the definitions. A Python variable is a reserved memory location to store values. In other words, a variable in a Python program gives data to the computer for processing. Okay, so different data types in Pythons are number, list, tuple, strings, dictionary. We'll discuss later, but today we'll discuss the variables, how define variables and how to assign variables. Well, the different concept we will discuss. Let's create a variable in Python. Okay, so let's this was my hello world program. So here you can str equals to, you can define the string in double quote and single quote, right? So here you can write hello world, here it is. So you can, this is the variable. Okay, so you can print it. Okay, so like python hello.py, the same thing will print. So here is we have created one variable, that is str. Like variable are containers for the storing data values, right? Unlike other programming languages, Python has no command for declaring a variable. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. Like you can here, you can assign directly the number, any number, that is 56. So if you now print it, so it will again print 56. So there is no type, like variable do not need to be declared with any particular type and can even change type after they have been set. Okay, understood? So let's understand how to like define a string, or how to variables, string variables, how to declare. Like there are two types, as I said. There's a single quote and double quote. You can, like here you can um, in double quote, I am Trilochan, and this is same as, suppose, let me save it. Yes, I am Trilochan. If you put it in single quote, this will also is the same. Okay, yes, I am Trilochan. So there is no difference in single quote and double quote in string in Python. Okay, so let's understand how the object reference in Python, like what is actually happening when you make a variable assignment. This is an important question in Python, right? Because the answer differs somewhat from you would find any other programming languages. Python, due to Python is a highly object oriented language, in fact virtually every item of data in Python program is an object of a specific type or class. Okay, so let's consider this one. This str is I am Trilochan. Okay, so this is, if you print the type of this, it will give you the what the string type. So inbuilt function is there, type. Okay, so let's print it. So you have to print here. So type is str, you can see. Let's discuss variable names in Python. A variable can have a short name like x, y, and z, m, n, or a more descriptive name like full name, short name, full underscore name, age, total underscore value. Rules of Python variables, like a variable name must start with a letter or the underscore characters. A variable name cannot start with a number. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. variables name can are case sensitive. Like if you are writing, let me give you example here. Yes, these are the legal variables names. My var John, my underscore var John underscore my underscore var. So these are the variable names. These are the legals, and these are the illegal. You cannot have integer in the first character of the variables. So hyphen is also not allowed, and space is also not allowed in variable names. Okay, so after this, let me tell you how to assign a multiple value, or assign a value to multiple variables. Like you can say a comma b comma c equals to, you can write in this way: car, bus, jeep. Yes, so this is how you can assign a value to a multiple variables. Okay, if you want to print this, print a, print b, print c, save, run. Yes, car, bus, jeep. This is how you can assign a value to a multiple variables. Okay, so again, like you can assign a same value to a multiple variables in one line. So this is how you can do. uh, a b, a equals to b equals to c is car. Yes, let me run this. Yes, car. So this is how you can assign a same value to a multiple variables. Okay, let given another example in variable, like a is equals to car. So you can write I am driving a, and you can concatenate with plus symbol with a. So here it is. If you run this, I am driving a car. So this is how you can concatenate with the variables. Okay, so in also this plus character to add the variables, like this plus symbol is concatenate the two string. The first one is string a, I am driving a car, and a is here variable. So concatenate with a string plus a variable string. Okay, so let me try once again. One like one variable, more variable is here. Let me try it with uh, integer here, a plus suppose b. Let me, yes, so let me try what is happening here. Here this is error, cannot concatenate str to integer. It is not possible in Python. Okay, let's discuss about global variables. So I think you, if you don't know about global variables, let me tell you what is that. Variable that are created outside of the function. So don't think about this is new term for you, this is function, so we'll discuss later. So just remember this one: variable that are created outside of the function, as all of the, like I will show you the example, are known as a global variables. Global variables can be used by everyone, both inside of function or outside of the functions. So let me give you one example here. So let a is equal to, a equals to for car. Okay, so let me define a function here. So actually we will discuss about this function. So for understanding the global variable, so I'm just giving an example. My function Okay, same thing. uh, so here same thing I will write, print I am driving a car. If you run this, call function, here it is, let's run this one. Yes, I am driving a car. So if you create a variable with the same name inside a function, this variable will be local and can only be used inside the function, but the global variable with the same name will remain as it was, global with the same original value. Okay, so let me give you another example uh, with like same name as a global variable. Okay, so like a is there, my function here is print this. So let me another value declare here, a equals to boss. Okay, so here, so let me print after this function, print same. So here, yes, so this one is first print, like if I declare the same name with the same variable name, so I am driving a bus. Okay, but in the second statement, the print this one, so here the variable name is a same as a car, because this was a global variable. Okay, so another concept is like the global keyword. Normally when you create a variable inside a function, that variable is local and can only be used inside that function. But to create a global variable inside a function, we can use global keyword. Okay, so like here you can define global a, sorry, a. Okay, and here a is car, so here we can define here. So if you print this, so it will be global. So let's run this one. Yes, I am driving a car. That means if you print in global, means outside of the function, it also define as a global variable. Okay, so the scope of this variable will be global. I hope you like this video. In next video we will discuss about different data types in Python. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.